Hi, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing this makeup look using all mini makeup and the ones that are sitting on my desk staring at me for 20 years. But yeah, I'm going to be using all of that today, and I feel like minis are a great thing to get, especially for hand makeup, because you actually get to try a product before you actually invest in a full size, because that can be pricey. Also, another great thing about minis is that you can travel with them. It's so convenient to travel with them. You can just put it in your bag and they don't take up a lot of space. If you want to know my mini reviews and mini reviews and all of the mini makeup that I used on that, wow, mini reviews, mini makeup, anyways, if you want to see all of that, then please continue watching. I'm gonna start off with skin prep because I have quite a few mini skincare from the Face Shop, which I got in like a kit. First, I'm gonna be using the brightening toner, the white seed brightening toner. I'm gonna put this toner, but I like the white seed range a lot from the Face Shop. It's really nice. This toner has like a milky consistency, which is something I really like because it is very hydrating. Then I'm gonna go ahead with the serum. Again, this is the white seed brightening serum, one of my favorites, and but I haven't used it in a while, so I am just gonna take this and apply it. I use the green natural seed lotion from the Face Shop, and this is very hydrating. I've used it before, so I'm just gonna it's very hydrating. Oh, I love how this just melts into my skin. This is how my skin looks. I love the glow. I love the glow. I love, this glow that a skincare product gives is something else. It's something else. I'm looking for my skin is all prepped. I'm gonna use a primer. So I do have a mini primer from Inside. This is the pore minimizing primer by Inside, which is very close to the Benefit one, and this retails for I think 110 rupees. As far as I know, pehle they just had this. Now they have like a bigger size in this, so this is the mini and it's really nice. So I'm just gonna use this. This is like a pore filling primer, which I don't really use, but yeah, I'm gonna use it today. Around my nose, because I feel like वहाँ पे थोड़े pores हो सकते हैं, and then let this. It's very smoothing. So if you are looking for a primer that is going to smooth and even out your skin, and you have pores, then this is a really good option. Foundation sample from MAC. I think I got it like a free. So when I got the lipstick, this was like a free gift. So this is the MAC Studio Fix sample that they send, and they have all of these shades, so you could choose the shades that you want. So they have 3 shades: NC25, NC30 and NC35. So I chose this, and the other one was NC40, 45 and all of that. So I chose this shade palette, and I actually don't know what my shade is, but I'm gonna go with the NC25. Let me see like how the shade is. I took out some foundation, and I think this is gonna match me because yeah, I think we're gonna work with this. I have tried MAC's foundation before, and I don't really know how I feel about it. I'm not the biggest fan. I wasn't the biggest fan when I first tried it, but let's give it a shot. Actually, this is a pretty good match for my skin. And it blends really nice into my skin, so I think this is a pretty close match for me. NC2530, that's my shade. This looks natural. I didn't think it would look natural, but this kind of looks natural. Okay, quick thoughts. This foundation, I did not give a proper name before. So this is the MAC Studio Fix SPF 15 Studio Fixed Fluid SPF 15. I actually feel I don't hate it. I also, by the way, I did my concealer and powder because I don't have a mini concealer. So this is how my foundation looks. Even though it looks like really full coverage and all, I feel like even though it's very full coverage, I feel like it doesn't look very cakey. If you use a lot, now with this foundation, I feel like if you use a lot, then it might end up looking cakey. Given that it's a matte, so this has a matte finish, which is why I'm not like a biggest fan of it, because I'm not the biggest fan of matte foundations. But since now it's summers, I don't mind a matte foundation, and I feel like this is very much suited for like weddings and occasions and you know, those functions. For daily wear, not so much. But yeah, that is my very quick thoughts on the foundation. Eyes, I have picked up this e.l.f. bite size eyeshadow palette, which is a very tiny and cute palette, and the shade that I have is Berry Bad. I'm gonna pick up this very neutral matte shade, and I'm just gonna put that on my crease. This is one of my favorite palettes, like favorite palettes. I'm gonna take my fingers and just apply on the lids. I'm like least bothered with what look I'm going for, to be really honest. So I'm just gonna pick whatever I have. Okay, I also use a little bit of mascara. Now for the face, I have the Sugar Mini blush, contour and highlight. So they have like a full-on size palette where they have all of the. Let's take the bronzer first, and I'm gonna take my brush, swirl it in. Yeah, this is the best part about this bronzer, is that it's not too pigmented. Which is something I like. Taking the blush, this is in the shade Peach Peak. Even the blush is not the most pigmented. One thing I noticed is that the products that I'm putting on my face, I think because of the foundation, I feel like it's sitting really well on top of the foundation, so that's a good thing. To the final step, highlighter. Mini highlighter Champagne Champion, that's the shade name. I know it's weird, but I really like to take my highlighter on my cheeks as well. I have a couple of mini lipsticks and Smashbox liquid lipsticks. This is in the shade Gulabi and Boss. Then I have the MAC Mini. This is how it looks like. This was actually my first ever MAC product. Then I have this, which I got in PR. This is like a very cute mini lipstick from Auric Beauty, and this is in the shade Truffle. This is like a deep brown. Now let's go with Whirl. So I'm using the MAC lipstick from Whirl, which is like a beautiful cool tone brown. And it's gonna. These are very creamy and so pigmented. They feel very comfortable. If you are wanting to buy any like MAC lipstick, I think you should go for the mini first. That is all. I hope you enjoyed. This is how my makeup looks like. I hope you enjoyed me using this full face of mini makeup. If you want to get any of these, I'm going to leave the links for you down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. That's it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
So where you wanna go, let's see it all. Selfies on the Great Wall, maybe the Taj Mahal. Hey, we could stay out late.